Most valuable player of the Miami Dolphins in Week 7 highlights defensive improvement. There are some that think that when the Miami Dolphins lose, there can't be a most valuable fin selection for that contest. To those people, I politely request that you lighten up a bit. Every painstakingly long offseason, we gluttonously consume every tiny morsel of news, while we wait for regular season action to arrive. Yet, when the season does get here, we're supposed to completely ignore the fact that even in losses, good things can happen. Some need to learn that players can still have good games even when their teams lose. So no, I'm not going to bypass this article after Dolphins losses. You can choose to do so, however. Just don't click on the headline. Instead, I'll choose to highlight those good performances in otherwise bad games. We only get 17 of these things, and hopefully some playoff contests as well.